What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep one of your cars for a listing. We're going to be going through the photo shoot, we're going to be going through the car wash and all that good stuff. So if that's something that you guys want to see, make sure you watch the video till the very end. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing you're gonna wanna make sure of when you're, and no, this is a pretty obvious thing, but the first thing you're gonna wanna make sure of is that when you take your pictures, the car is clean. And the other thing is, it's really important to get a car wash membership because every time somebody's gonna be picking up the car, you wanna make sure that the car is as clean as possible. And well, you're gonna wanna pass through the car wash every single time somebody uses it. And then my local car wash here down the road also has a membership, also has some vacuums, as you guys seen in previous videos. So we can easily, you know, vacuum out the car. And then we also have our microfiber towels from our local Canadian Tire. Super easy to clean the car, not too much of a mess for the most part, and I highly doubt, well, I would honestly hope that nobody dirties this car. We're heading over to the car wash, gonna go ahead and get the actual sticker so that we could, you know, have our membership going. The other thing I need to do, which we're also gonna record a video on, is get the window tints. Kind of looks like a fishbowl in here, so I wanna make sure that these windows get tinted. I want to get some 5% tints, but we'll probably just settle with the 15. Those are still pretty dark, they still kind of look sick. So we also have the window tints scheduled next week on Wednesday. That's gonna be another video that you guys could potentially expect in the near future. Just got to the car wash and slight change of plans. So the car wash is currently having an issue. The water's not working, but the vacuums here are working. So we'll probably just get the car vacuumed up, kind of just go from there and we'll see. Hopefully it'll be good later. So I might have to take the pictures a little bit later than expected. Sometimes, yeah,
currently getting your membership complete. C43 outside, you can't even see it. With the sticker on the vehicle with the chip inside so it detects it. Thank you, Mr. Halo. Car wash. Your local Halo car wash. Yes, sir. Going in right now. Guys, the car wash is done. Time to go take some pictures at our OG spot. Approximately 2 minutes later. It's nice, clean. Oh, you got the front plate on now?
Front plate was always on, my guy.
Oh, actually?
Very clean, bro.
Okay, nice.
Definitely needs a tint, it's a fishbowl.
Yeah, we definitely need a tint on that right there. The back looks pretty tinted on.
So obviously, whenever you guys are posting your car in Turo, make sure you guys have a nice spot to take pictures. Now this spot isn't the greatest. As you can see, it's kind of like dead here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures. Whatever pictures we take, I'm gonna have them posted up on the screen somewhere. So yeah, professionally taking pictures. The last batch of pictures we took weren't the greatest. We took them vertically standing on an iPhone. So now we're actually gonna be using my camera to shoot the pictures. Make sure they are sideways and not vertical, or else they're gonna be zoomed in on Turo and they're not gonna appear the nicest. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna get these pictures done and then you guys will see the end result.
Technical difficulties. We can't seem to find the hood opener on the car. We'll search it up online and see how's it going. Freaking lever right here. Jesus Christ, this guy, man.
This guy, bro, yeah, we're in the same boat.
You're the one in the car,
we're
bro.
in the same boat, guy.
Okay, let's get this hood popped open right here. We've got the latch right here. Nice V6 engine bi-turbo right there.
So at this point, we've completed everything that we need to do as far as getting the pictures done. As you guys can see on the other side of the screen, we already have this listing up here. Somebody actually currently has this vehicle booked. Somebody's on a trip from January 2nd to January 7th. Today we're January 3rd, so I did that drop off yesterday. And then we also have the other AMG here. So the other car getting listed right now. So we only have 50% of the listing complete. Now, the listing doesn't take too long to complete. The only thing it's asking me for is the pictures now. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the pictures uploaded and get everything ready to go. But there's nothing else that's too crazy to go over. Like I had to make a short description. This is what I've kind of gotten done. And I've gone over like the car availability and stuff. As for the availability is pretty much left open and people can book instantly and come for the pickup right here. I think I might be doing deliveries at the airport potentially, but that's about it. As far as the pricing, I haven't gone through that yet. So I'm gonna be going through that shortly. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these pictures all uploaded and then get the listing up and running and have it submitted. But aside from that, you guys kind of just have to go through the steps one by one. As far as the goals and the car description and stuff like that, I honestly just use ChatGPT and then kind of reword a little bit of the description and get that posted on there. It's the best way to do it in my opinion. It's the most appealing and it has literally all the information that you need. What you could also do that would be a good idea is to find another listing similar to yours that is performing well, copy paste the description and then ask ChatGPT to reword it in your own words. That's about it, in all honesty. So that's exactly how we prepare and get our photo shot for the cars that we're gonna be listing on Turo. And I mean, if you reach this point in the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys wanna be seeing in the future. I hope this video was of value for you, and I hope you guys understand exactly what you need to get your car listed on Turo. Now, these things might not be the most important because you could go ahead and just shoot pictures of your car if it's dirty, but if you're actually trying to create a business out of this, you have to do things the right way. We went ahead and activated a car wash subscription. It's like 50 bucks a month, and they do the ceramic and the wax and all that good stuff. So I hope this video was of value for you guys. If it was, please smash the like button. There's a lot more content that's gonna be coming out. A lot of fun stuff with cars, rentals, whatever it is. Let me know what you guys want to be seeing in the comment section down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.